Hey YouTube, so today we are going back to the 1940s. I am so excited. I love the 40s. The 40s is such a beautiful era, age, decade, whatever you want to call it. But this is one of my most excited, this is what I'm most excited about just because it's so beautiful. It's nice, it's clean, it's simple. Everything you could want from makeup, and you get to do victory rolls. Can y'all see this? Can y'all see? Not the best, but they'll work. And I got my weave in, so I have a long hair again. Yeah. But let's get to the video. Oh! So I'm going to start with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer all over my face. The 40s really are just, oh, if I could go back to the 40s, I would. Just the fashion, the makeup, the hair. Oh, they all had these beautiful, they had the beautiful arched brows. They had like the pencil skirts and the blazers and the brooches. Oh, amazing. The cute little, oh, I have a little hat I'm going to wear. Ah, I'm so excited. So, it's just everything about that era I love. About that decade, era, whatever. I love it. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Super Stay Foundation. I ripped the tag off by accident, but it's there. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, we're going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and putting that all over our face. We're going to contour with the NYX Wonder Stick. Not a crazy contour, but I do want to look nice and thin. Yeah. So now we're going to set all of our cream with the Maybelline Loose Shine Free Powder. Alright, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Okay, let's move on to our eyebrows real quick. I'm using the NYX Professional Brow Pencil. As always, this is my tried and true. They had very thick, pronounced brows back in the 40s. Alright, now on to our eyes. We are going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. Alright, first shade we are going to use is going to be Silk Cream, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Alright, and now with a thin blending brush, we are going to go into Butter and Pukey. And then I'm going to just focus that on the outer portion of my crease. In the 40s, they started to go towards that winged look like you see so much in the 50s. So I'm going to kind of focus that out and in. Now I'm going to get a fluffier blending brush, go straight into Pukey and really blend that out a bit. Right, now I'm going to take a flat shadow brush and go into color Faint. I'm not going to spray it just yet. I just want to see. Yes. I don't want it to be a crazy, blinding metallic shade. I just want you kind of bring out that outside of my eye a little bit more. Alright, and one last thing is I'm going to take that smaller blending brush again, and we're going to dip ever so softly into buns. And put that on the outer edge. Right, and then I'm going to take in light and put that in my inner corners. Alright, now onto liner. Of course, we're going to be using the NYX Epic Liner Pencil. I'm so predictable. Alright, and now I am going to do a thick wing liner for this. Okay, so I put some lashes on. Now for blush. We're going to be using the Morphe Blush Trio palette in color Boss. And I'm going to put that right on the apples of my cheeks. We're going to be using the Makeup Revolution Sophie X palette and these two colors right here. Alright, so now we're going to take the MAC Russian Red lipstick and put that all over our lips. And on top of that, I'm going to be putting the Morphe Virgin liquid lipstick. Alright, I'm going to put on the rest of my costume and I'll be right back. Makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I will see you guys next week for the 1950s. Bye.